This is the new screen protector for the iPhone XS Max from ESR. This one has the 3D effect, means its edges are rounded and are actually black, so it's supposed to perfectly blend in once attached to the iPhone XS Max. Inside is everything you need to install. Tempered glass. This new version is 5 times stronger, says ESR, and it features this special 3D design. That means that the edges are rounded and are actually colored black, so it perfectly blends in once it's attached to the iPhone XS Max. The first thing you do is to use the provided wet towel to clean the surface. The important thing when installing a protection glass is that you need to have an absolute clean screen. Any kind of dust creates bubbles and you don't have a seamless surface. So with the wet towel I clean the screen. It removes any kind of fingerprints and stuff like that. Once you're done with the wet cleaning, you use the provided dry towel to dry off the screen and make sure that there's no single dust core on the surface. Some people recommend to actually do that in the bathroom when you have like a steam in the air that reduces the particles in the air. That's not a bad idea. I do it here just to have the ability to show it to you on camera. You remove the sticker, and then I use the microphone hole as a guide to align the screen on the iPhone XS Max, and you need to push down first in the middle. So you align it and then you push with the other hand in the middle first, and then you push down, moving from the middle to the edges. So right away most air is going out. There's only this one area there and on the edges, and you just move your fingers over it and you can push out the air. I ended up with one little bubble at the border. I think I got some very tiny dust corn in there. You can lift the screen again very easily off your iPhone and to correct things like that, and then put it back, or you can even remove the whole screen and then start from the beginning again. Important here is that you need to make sure that you don't get any dust on the screen.